Dad, are you comfortable? We're leaving now.
Yes, I'm comfortable. Everything feels fine.
Did you bring your bag and other essentials?
Yes, I have them right here with me.
And your medicines?
Yes, I packed them this morning.
Good. We'll reach the station soon.
I feel a little emotional leaving you all.
I understand, Dad. But you'll be home very soon.
Yes, and I'll miss you all too.
We'll visit you soon, don't worry.
That makes me feel better.
Just relax and enjoy the ride.
Thank you, son.
Dad, please sit here. I'll book your ticket.
Okay, take your time.
One ticket to Green City, please.
Sure, sir. What time would you prefer?
The next available train, please.
Let me check. There is a train in 30 minutes.
That sounds good. What time will it arrive there?
It will reach Green City at around 6 p.m.
Okay, that works for us. How much is the ticket?
It's $50 for a standard seat.
Do you have any window seats available?
Yes, there is one window seat left.
Great, please book that one.
All right. Would you like a one-way or return ticket?
Just a one-way ticket.
Okay, your total is $50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your ticket. Platform number 2.
Thank you very much. Here's your ticket, Dad.
Thank you, son. What time is the train?
It leaves in 30 minutes and arrives at 6 p.m.
That's perfect. Is it a comfortable seat?
Yes, I got you a window seat.
That's wonderful. I like looking outside during the journey.
I know, that's why I chose it for you.
How much was the ticket?
Don't worry about the price, Dad.
Still, you always spend so much on me.
It's nothing, Dad. Your comfort is important to me.
Thank you, my son. You take such good care of me.
The train will arrive soon.
Yes, I can hear announcements.
Please call me when you reach.
I will, don't worry.
Take care of yourself.
You too, and take care of everyone at home.
I will, Dad. The train is arriving on platform 2. That's your train, Dad.
Okay, I'll go now.
Goodbye, Dad.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome aboard. May I see your ticket?
Good afternoon. Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check. Seat 12A, right?
Yes, that's correct.
This way, sir. I'll show you your seat.
Thank you.
Here's your seat, the window one.
Oh, that's nice. I like sitting by the window.
Would you like help with your bag?
Yes, please, it's a bit heavy.
No problem. I'll place it on the rack for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is this your first time on this train?
No, but it has been a long time since I traveled.
I see. The journey will take about 4 hours.
That sounds long.
If you need anything, just press the call button or let me know.
Sure. Will there be food service?
Yes, sir. Snacks and juice will be served shortly.
That's good to know. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure, sir. Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you. Excuse me, young man.
Yes.
Could you please lower the volume of your music?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it too loud?
Yes, it's a bit disturbing. I'm trying to relax.
Oh, I didn't realize it was bothering anyone. I'll turn it down.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Sorry again for the inconvenience.
That's okay. We all like music sometimes.
Are you traveling far, sir?
Yes, I'm going to Green City.
That's quite a trip. It must be relaxing to sit by the window and enjoy the scenery.
Yes, I enjoy looking outside. The music just made it hard to focus.
I understand completely. I'll keep it low from now on.
Thank you very much. It's much better now.
By the way, do you travel by train often?
Not very often, but I enjoy it when I do. It's peaceful and gives me time to think.
I like it too. But sometimes people forget that others are around.
That's true. Just have to politely remind them sometimes.
I really appreciate your patience, sir.
And I appreciate your understanding. It makes the journey pleasant for everyone.
Sir, do you need a taxi?
Yes, please. Can you take me to Green Street?
Sure, sir. Please get in.
Thank you.
Let me help you with your bag.
That's very kind of you, thank you.
You're welcome. Please sit comfortably. So, was it a long journey?
Yes, it was quite long. But it was comfortable.
That's good to hear.
By the way, how much will the fare be?
It should be around $20, depending on traffic.
That sounds reasonable.
I'll use the meter, so you'll only pay the exact fare.
That's good, I prefer that.
Is this your first time in this city?
No, I live here. I was visiting my family.
Oh, welcome back then.
Thank you.
It will take about 15 minutes to reach your house.
All right, please take a safe route.
Of course, sir.
Do you accept cash or card?
Both are fine, sir.
Good, I'll pay by cash.
We're almost there.
That was quick.
Here we are, sir. The total fare is $18.
Here's $20. Keep the change.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for the safe ride.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Finally, I'm home.
Welcome back. It's been a long time.
I just arrived today.
I've been waiting for you. How was your journey?
It was smooth and comfortable.
That's great to hear. You must be tired.
A little, but I'm very happy to be back home.
Come, sit down and relax. I'll bring you some tea.
Thank you. I missed your tea.
I missed you too. The house felt empty without you.
I'm here now. It feels so peaceful to be home again.
Yes, home is always the best place.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.